To News Now on Court. Jamaica's bid to reach the final round of the 2027 Fiba Basketball World Cup Americas qualifier ended on Monday night after a 116-78 loss to regional powerhouse Canada in Ontario. Jermaine Brown tells us more.
Jamaica's famed Rockerz entered the match holding the final qualifying spot in Group B and knew only a victory combined with other results would keep their hopes alive of a first-ever qualification to the final round. However, the star-studded Canadian team, featuring 7 NBA players, including two-time NBA MVP Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, proved too strong. Their dominant offensive display saw them set a new single-game record in the Americas qualifiers with 48 field goals, surpassing the previous mark of 46. Despite the heavy 116-78 defeat, Jamaica had the game's leading scorer in Andrew Tellwell. Tellwell poured in 25 points and received support from Marcus McDonald, who contributed 19 points. Canada were led by Dylan Brooks, who top-scored for them with 20 points, while Gilgeous-Alexander chipped in with 16 points. Jamaica's elimination was confirmed when Puerto Rico defeated Bahamas 115-92 to claim the final qualifying spot. Canada finished atop the group with a perfect win record, while the Rockerz closed off their campaign with 2 wins and 5 defeats. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.